Got the tractor here on life support, got our block heater plugged in and the battery charging up here. We got the generator running, get power into the barn. I got my torpedo heater there. We need to get some stuff done today. As you can see, the snow has started to fly, so there's some things that we got to get done around here to get ready for more snow in the next couple of weeks here. We got to get some driveway markers put out, got to get the bench we put in the cul-de-sac back onto our property before they plow that into the ditch for us. Got to get the plow on the four-wheeler and move some stuff around in the barn. So got a lot to get done today. Hopefully our tractor wants to play nice so I can get that bench. It's concrete and like 1,200 pounds, so not many other ways I'm getting that thing off the street without her firing up here. But let's go see what we can get knocked out. We managed to get the plow on the four-wheeler, cleaned out the barn, got the tractor fired up. It came in, so can start working on that a little bit. And out here, we even managed to get the bench up here. Sometimes I think my channel should be called Hard Work because of Matt, We got some footage of what happened out there, but kind of got stuck in the mud trying to be cute about where we were going to put it for the winter, and ended up dropping it in the middle of the driveway and had some fun trying to pick it up and get it back up here, but it all worked out. So we'll wrap this video up.